Maxeon is a global leader in solar cells and solar panel manufacturing, where we are very serious in producing innovative, sustainably produced solar cells and solar panels. Maxeon has a global reach of more than 100 countries in the world. We are about 5,000 over strong employee-wise, and we are located in more than 16 countries, over 40 locations. We have firewalls, we have data centers, we have VPN solutions. Getting rid of the VPN and providing that secure and fast internet access, they are not mutually exclusive. Your choice is either you backhaul everything via VPN to the office, of which you would incur a lot of bandwidth costs, not to mention from the digital experience perspective, it's gonna be not so great for the users. So we are looking for much better solutions, therefore we got into Zscaler. As part of the digital transformation, we move most of the things into the cloud. So we have 0 data centers now. We needed to protect our remote workforce during the COVID time. We require future-proof SSE solutions that could provide our users with fast, safe, secure internet access, as well as to the SaaS applications that we have. Even after the COVID era, we are still mostly in hybrid working mode. So therefore, the solution that could protect the users anywhere they are, and doesn't matter whether they are in office, at home, in airport, it is very important. Whenever they are connected to the internet, they are being protected. We are using Zscaler Internet Access, or ZIA, providing users with safe, fast internet access. We also use Zscaler Digital Experience. It's a very wonderful tool to pinpoint where are the connection problems. We integrate Zscaler with CrowdStrike EDR. They work very well, so whatever CrowdStrike caught, it will be flown into Zscaler, and they would be able to prevent that before it even reaches the user, and vice versa. So we have site-to-site connectivity where users actually do not have the Zscaler client. The traffic will still be directed to Zscaler for all the security checks and security analysis. Zscaler helps us safeguard our intellectual property and vital corporate data. In the past 3 months, we have blocked more than 30 million policy violations. It stops close to 3 million threats, security threats. In the end, we decided to go with Zscaler because to us it's very key to make sure that our investment will be fully utilized and just works.